My name is Michael and welcome to the first tutorial of our GTK or GMenu, sorry. In the last video we saw how we create those two menus, which was basically the file menu and the edit menu. Inside the file menu we were putting these four items: new, open, save and quit, and we create also icons and accelerators for it. And let me format a little bit to look better. And in the edit menu, of course, we create the edit menu where we put three items inside. Is the copy, cut and paste, and we are not putting some icons here, we are just set it to null. And of course we set the accelerators for the items, which will be Ctrl+C, Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. Now let us create some actions. We are not going to talk too much about it because it is not the part of this tutorial. I'm going to create, like I said, another playlist for these things. So now what do we need? We need basically to create some actions. So the first action will be for the file actions, and here I'm going to say the first one will be the new, which it will be created. It should be a string, and then let's say action callback, and then null, and of course we need a padding 1, 2, 3. We are not, like I said, we are not going to talk about this right now. Now this is the first one which we created. Now let me see, new, what we have, open, what we have, new, open, save and quit, save, quit. Now because we have it with the help of the G action map add action entries, we are going to G action map our application should be, and then of course actions. Oh, I forgot to give a name for our actions, sorry, actions. And then we need a size with the help of gn elements right here, action and application again, or null. Okay, now let me see if it's working. Let me compile it and run it. Okay, we do have, yeah, we don't have the action callback. Let us create this one very fast. So right here, static void action callback, and here we need the gsimple action. Like I said, this part, if you don't understand it, don't be scared, because I'm going to create a playlist for this one. So GNU C unused, because we are not going to use the G variant parameter, and of course I'm not going to use GNU C unused G pointer data. So those two they will not going to be used. Okay, let me move this one right here, and here I'm going to say G print the action %s was activated, and of course we need the action with the G action get name function. And of course what do we need here? We need a G action, which means G action we need to cast it. Okay, and our action. Now let me see if everything works fine. I created the action callback, which takes 3 parameters. 2 of them, those 2 we are not use them, but we need a simple action, and the simple action we need a name so that we know which exactly action was activated. Now this callback will be called every time that the new, open, save or quit actions takes or occurs. Now I do have another problem right here. Let's see what it says. Expected whatever, where. So let me see what I did wrong right here. Okay, yes, it is missing. Now it should be fine. Really? Okay, let me see. How did I destroy everything right here? Static const. No, this one is not. Okay. Let's see. We create our G action enter actions, and then we create a new, the action called null, which is fine, and the quit. Now G action add actions, we need the application, we need the actions, and then the GN elements actions and the application. So I do have a problem right now. Let's see what exactly says again. Expected before G action map. Why? Yeah, of course, the semicolon. Sorry, from the structure. You see how fast takes place mistake. Let me compile it and run it. And now, yes, as you can see, new, open, save, and quit. You see our actions works fine. Because those action works fine, let us create the entry, the edit actions as well. So edit, which were cut, or now let's say copy. It's not important the order, but I want to be the same, cut and paste. So let me compile it and run it. Again, we have a problem. Let's see. Yes, it's missing here a comma. So congratulations, you just create your first menu with the help of actions, and as you can see, the menu looks fine and everything works fine as expected. What do we have until now? Let's see how many line codes we had. 117, which is not too much, isn't it? So what do we have now? Let's see our program flow. We create a main function. We are monitoring the startup and the activate. In the activate inside, basically we create a window with the GMenu title, and inside the startup function, basically we create some actions. We map them, so we add those entries to the map, and then after that we create a menu, and inside that menu we put two another sub-menus. The first one is the file and the edit, with the help of the create edit menu and create file menu, where of course we create those items, and with the help of create menu item we create items for our menus. And of course the action callback will be called every time when we click those items. We use the same action callback in all those places, which means the same callback will be called, but of course you will provide your own callback based on the action which takes place. Now I'm going to stop and we are going to proceed in the next video. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.